Okay, today I chose to talk about ABCS, a website you can use for your class with games and stuff. Even parents, when they're home with their kids, they can go to it. Today I'm going to choose grade level 3, and I'm going to choose numbers, work on some numbers, and then number values. Let's click on that, scroll down some, and then right here, I'm going to start it. First go, I'm going to do whole numbers. Medium, you're going to begin the game. It's pretty easy. Get 5 tries, so you can go to the bonus round. And you just put less than, equal to, or greater than. And simple, it says 31 is less than 55. See, that's right. It gives you a check. Then you go to the next one. It's 41 would be less than 64. And once you keep going, you put 44 is greater than 41. And on this one, it would be 96 is greater than 15. And on the last one right here, it'll be 62 is less than 86. And once you finish that one, the game is complete. You get 5 right, so it's a bonus game. So you get to drive and collect all the odd numbers of the coins. Start that, and you just drive the car. Okay. Drive, and you just get all the odd numbers. And that will be the end of my slide.